Yo, this is Rikes over here with another unboxing with two Scarlet and Violet 151 booster bundles. Each one comes with 6 booster packs. Let's start unboxing. And we have here Mudkip once more. Let's put this to the side. Let's open it up. First time opening this bundle pack, so we'll see. Hopefully this has better hits than the ETBs or the UPCs. Like I said, we're still looking for the Charizard and the Blastoise. Hopefully we get some in these packs. Let's see how to fully open this without breaking it. Alright, 6 packs. Well, we have a first pack magic here. Let's go with water. Dark. Meowth, Execute, Clefairy, Machop, Sandslash, Nidorino, Golduck, Cloyster, Lickitung, and then Mewtwo. Let's go with Lightning, Psychic, Banana, Pidgey, Metapod, Ponyta, Seadra, Kabuto, Gloom, Slowpoke, Giovanni's Riz. I think this is the SIR. Nice. This is his third pack. Let's go with fire. Fighting. Electabuzz, Coughing, Porygon, Tangela, Pinsir, Bills Transfer, Golbat, Nidoran, Gloom, and Articuno Hollow. Oh man, I still need to get those hits to finish off the set. Probably playing the master set probably. Let's go with fire again. Oh, fighting once more. Poliwag, Pikachu, Farfetch'd, Shelter, Clefable, the Trio, Haunter, Clefairy, let's see, another Mr. Mom Hollow. Oh man. Let's see. Let's go with fighting. Water. Primer. Psyduck, Ekans. Cubone. Leftovers. Persian. Daisy's Help. Butterfree. And Electro. Last pack of this booster bundle. Let's go Lightning. Water, Helix, Slowpoke, Magma, Horsey, Hitmonlee, Hypno, Wartortle, Goldeen, Voltorb, and the Marrow. So it looks like the only hit was the Giovanni's Riz. Let's open the next one. Oh, that's bad. Okay. Here's 6 packs. All right, let's go. Man, how hard is it pulling a Charizard or a Blastoise? Steel, Ekans, Cubone, Bonebone, Vulpix, Magnemite, Nidorina, Eradicate, Erika's, Eevees. straight to the back, actually. Fighting, let's go. Another Daisy's Help. Got 3 extras of those. Steel. Okay. Last 3 packs. Fire. Oh, nice. Finally. Will this be a hit? Nice. Second one, though. You know, that's still a good hit. War Turtle. An illustration rare. Okay, let's see. Vulpix, War Turtle, and Ninetales EX. Last but not least, last pack magic. Let's go with lightning. Psychic. Okay, let's see. Protective, Moltres, Hollow. Alright, no worries. That's it, Punsit. See you at the next video. Like, subscribe, and follow.